You are here, in complete darkness. You open your eyes wide, but you cannot see anything at all. You can still hear, smell, and feel everything, you just cannot see. But you feel almost helpless.
Taking away your sight almost completely isolates you from life itself.
Humans mainly perceive the world through their eyes. For dogs, it is completely different. They have dichromatic vision, meaning they only see shades of yellow, blue, and gray. Take a look at this. This is the color spectrum that most humans see. And this is what dogs see. So, in a way, dogs are colorblind. But they have better night vision and can also detect motion much better. However, the visual aspect is not as important to dogs as it is to us.
Dogs have another channel to perceive most of their information.
If they lost it, they would likely feel just like you, living in eternal darkness. The secret information channel that dogs use is their sense of smell. We learn about the world mainly by observing. Dogs, on the other hand, recognize it mainly by smelling.
For them, every scent is different and carries its own unique meaning. The reason we perceive the world so differently is due to how the human brain works.
The human brain has a larger visual cortex. This area is responsible for processing visual information, while dogs have a much larger olfactory cortex. This area is dedicated to processing smells. A dog's olfactory cortex is about 40 times larger than that of a human. You can guess a person's feelings by looking at them. Dogs can do this by smelling. Above the roof of a dog's mouth is a special olfactory system that helps them learn things they cannot see. That is why they sniff people and other animals. This way, they get a first impression of someone and know if they are happy, sad, dangerous, or friendly. And dogs perceive these things much better than we do. So, while we can see more colors, dogs have far more scent receptors. Let's do some math. A human has about 5 million receptors. A dog can have up to 300 million. A dog's sense of smell is about 10,000 times more sensitive than ours. The dog breed with the best sense of smell is the bloodhound. Next is the blue-tick coonhound, the Labrador retriever, and herding dogs like the German shepherd. Basically, our noses are also anatomically different from a dog's nose. Humans have only one airway. We smell and breathe through the same path, so we cannot retain scents for long. We inhale, detect the scent, but once we exhale, the scent disappears. Dogs are different. They have two separate pathways, separated by a fold of tissue. One pathway is used for smelling, while the other is used for breathing. Have you noticed the small slits on the sides of a dog's nose? That is where they exhale. Dogs can retain the scent they smell and focus on it. The air escaping when a dog exhales also helps draw new scents into their nose. Dogs can determine exactly which nostril detected which scent. So through that, They can determine the direction from which a specific scent is coming.
Dogs can follow scents lingering in the air, and those left on the ground.
Sweat, perfume, or even just shedding skin cells and secretions floating in the air.
These are all examples of airborne scents. Bacteria clinging to any scent also help personalize it. Ground scent is a combination of soil, mud, grass, and anything else on the ground.
They get disturbed by human footsteps. As you walk, you disturb and mix the scents, leaving a scent trail behind you.
Dogs can detect this difference and follow the trail. As you pass by, the scents of the air, the ground, yourself, and the surrounding environment mix together. The scent you leave behind with each step becomes clearer. So, dogs track to where the scent feels stronger. A dog's nose is usually wet and cold, and this is extremely useful for them.
A layer of mucus covering it helps dogs smell more effectively by capturing scent particles.
Another reason a dog's nose is wet is because they frequently lick it. Now, have you guessed why dogs do this? That's right, because the nose is an important organ.
It must function properly. Therefore, dogs take very good care of their noses,
keeping their noses clean and moist.
When a dog sees you, they will lick their nose to smell and assess the situation.
Where you have been, and what you were doing at that time.
By licking their nose, dogs also signal to you that they feel comfortable and want to spend time with you.
They also do this to show that they are calm and happy. But if your dog licks its nose too frequently, it might be anxious about something